Best wireless keyboard and mouse combo for laptops. Thinking about getting the best wireless keyboards and mouse combo for laptop for gaming, browsing and working purpose? If your answer is yes, then we are here to help you out. When it comes about portability and versatility, wireless mouse and keyboards combos are actually the best option available. Even it also plays an important role in making your travel simple and you can easily enjoy more maneuverability and your desk space becomes cleaner. The wireless mouse and keyboard combo for laptop are not only helpful for working purpose but also those who love playing games and having a gaming controller can improve their basic with the help of it. Now, the question is which keyboard and mouse combo should you buy? There are a lot of wireless or Bluetooth keyboards and mouse combo options available, including the cheap, simple, advanced, and stylish one. You can easily choose one that can satisfy your needs. In order to make the task simpler, here we have also given details about some of the best wireless keyboards and mouse combo. How to purchase the best wireless keyboards and mouse combo for laptops. Before investing your money in the simple or gaming keyboards or mouse combo, you are suggested to take a look over some of the major features given. Key features. Servo keyboards are featured with some programmable hotkey that can help you out in performing functions like opening the frequently used app or getting access to the multimedia, adjusting volume, adjusting brightness, and others. These features can help a lot in making your task simpler and smoother. Mouse type. There are different shapes and design available in the computer mouse. Try to choose the one having a rubberized or textured grip along with control. Ambidextrous design. It will help you to out in having a nice grip and you will be able to use the mouse easily and comfortably for a long period of time. Apart from this, you can also suggest it to give proper consideration of the design of the mouse. It is one of the major concerns when it comes about comfortability. Also, it affects a lot of your work and gameplay as well. The design of the mouse must fit you and your play style as well. Battery life. Mostly, it happens that the wireless keyboard and mouse combo are powered with AA and AAA batteries. Even there are some that come with the rechargeable feature. Apart from this, you can choose the one having solar powered option so that they only need light to get operated. The life of good wireless keyboard lasts up to 15 months or 3 years. In mouse, the life range is about 8 months to 2 years. It highly depends upon the usability. Try to choose one having a long lasting battery life so that you do not need to change it again and again. Shape and design of the keyboard. There are different shapes and sizes, weights and design available in the wireless keyboards. If you are one of those who are prone to wrist fatigue or you use computer or laptop a lot, then you should go for a textured wrist rest and ergonomic design. Apart from this, there are several other simpler, clean and slim keyboard design options are available that can help you out in keeping your workplace cleaner. If you are particularly looking for a gaming purpose, then you should go for one having integrated wrist rest feature as well. It will help you out in spending your hours of giving comfortability. With the help of our given features, it will become easier for you to choose the Bluetooth keyboard and mouse combo according to your demand and requirements. Additionally, after spending your money, you will definitely feel satisfied with your shopping.